Attorney Robert Canoy here from the law offices of McCormack and McCormack. One of the most frequently asked questions that we get is, why should I, as a military member on active duty or reserves, if I'm facing a court-martial or an administrative separation board, why should I hire a civilian attorney when my service is going to give me a military counsel for free? And the reasons for that are several. First and foremost, what you're hiring is experience. You're hiring somebody who you know has done the job before, who has the repetitions, the case numbers, who's seen all the things of what makes a successful case or a successful defense or a successful prosecution, and what does not. Many of the military attorneys are talented, good people, but oftentimes they are in their first few years of practice as an attorney. In fact, to even get to an attorney who has been practicing for 8, 10, 12 years, you have to get to a supervisory attorney at many of the JAG offices, and oftentimes they're not personally taking cases anymore, or if they are, they're only taking major cases. So you may be a person who's facing a case that that particular defense office doesn't consider to be major or significant or particularly severe. However, for you, it has career-ending implications for you. If you're facing an administrative separation board, your career's on the line, and the possibility that you could be involuntarily separated, not be able to make it to retirement, lose your benefits, not be able to support your family anymore, that's a huge deal for you, while perhaps the JAG office would say that you don't rate more than a first tour attorney to represent you. Similarly, if you're facing a court-martial, again, there's scales of severity, but for you, the case that you're facing is the one that has the life and career implications for you. So you have to do what makes the most sense for you in terms of hiring an attorney that you have the confidence in, who's going to take your case, who's going to put the time in that's necessary, and who most importantly has the know-how and the understanding to give you the best possible defense that they can. Now, other reasons exist as well. One of the inherent things that is a reality in the courtroom, in the military courtroom, is that I don't wear the uniform anymore. The military attorneys do. So there's certain things that can be done and said by me that just in reality cannot be done and said, at least not comfortably, by a military attorney, because they are still subject at the end of the day to the chain of command. They still have fitness reports and evaluations. They still have the officership side component to representation. And I'm not saying that we in any way act unprofessionally, but there are certain things when it comes to zealous advocacy that I'm going to be comfortable doing because I don't have to worry about career implications for myself in doing so. So that's always a huge factor that's going on in the minds of any attorney that's representing you who's wearing the uniform. So at the end of the day, you have to make the decision that's right for you. If you want to have a consultation to consider hiring a civilian attorney, I'd welcome you to do so. We do 100% free consultations. We'll go through your case with you, pros and cons of what you got going on, and we'll see if representation by McCormack and McCormack is the right fit for you. Thanks.